close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay guys, I just wanted to show you our trousers that you're going to be learning how to sew in our trouser class. So here I have the corporate trouser. So here is our corporate trouser. Can you see? So this is our corporate trouser. This is how it looks like. So we iron it in the way, you know, the way they normally iron the corporate trouser. So that's how we iron it. So when you open it up, you're gonna have it looking like this. Can you see? You can see the lines from the ironing. It gave it this gator line. The lines you normally see very straight in a corporate trouser, so it has it. You can see the lines. Then apart from that, it has a waistband with a belt hole. You can see the belt holes, and also it has side pockets. Can you see? So it has side pockets here, and that is it. And we also gave it a fly zipper. Let me show you guys the zipper so you can see. So this is the fly zipper. It has this fly zipper. So that is it for the corporate trouser. So don't worry, I'm going to be putting it on for you to see how it fits. Okay, now guys, this is the short pants. Can you see? So this is our short pants. This is very similar to the corporate trouser. So the only difference here is that this is just a short pants, and you know, a trouser is a trouser. So it is exactly the same thing with the corporate trouser. It has pockets. It has 2 pockets. Then it has a waistband that also has belt hole, and it has a fly zipper as well. Can see it has a fly zipper as well. I'm also going to be putting it on now for you guys to see the fitting of the short pants. Now the last but not the least is our palazzo trouser. Can you see? Can you see guys? So this is our palazzo trouser. It has side pocket as well. So all our trousers have pockets. You can see the pocket here is a bit different from the pocket that we put in the corporate trouser. You can see how stylish the pocket in the palazzo trouser looks like. So it has pockets at the 2 sides, and the zipper of the palazzo trouser is at the back. So we put the zipper at the back. So that is it for the palazzo trouser, and it also has a waistband. It has a waistband, and we also gave it this stylish style of putting dart. You can see the dart is very stylish, and at the back we gave it the normal dart. So guys, that is it for the palazzo trouser. Now I'm also going to put it on for you to see the fitting on me. Okay guys, so this is the corporate trouser on me. Can you see? It is looking so straight. You can see how straight it is looking, the gator line from the ironing. So from the back, so this is how it looks like. So let me come closer for you guys to see. Can you see? So straight. So this trouser is so perfect. So look at the pockets. You can see. So this is the fitting of the corporate trouser. It is so perfect, and it's so comfortable. It's something you can walk around with. It is not, you know, you wear trouser and you cannot move your leg. It is so comfortable, and you can do anything when you put it on. So this is it for the corporate trouser. Now I have the short pant on. You can see. So this is it. We have the pocket, the waistband, the belt hole, the zipper fly. So this is it for the short pants. So this is it from the back. It is so comfortable. I can move my legs. Can you see? Can do anything. It's not those type of pants you wear and you can't move. So this is very comfortable, and you can do whatever you want to do when you have it on. So this is it for the fitting of the short pants. Okay, now I have the palazzo trouser on. So this is the full look. Can you see? So this is the full look of our palazzo trouser. It is very long. You can see it is all the way to the ground. So this is it. It has the pocket, the band, and the zipper at the back. So that is all. So this is it for the fitting of all our trousers. So this is all what you're going to be learning in our trouser class. So if it's a class you're interested in, all you need to do is to send us a WhatsApp message, and all other informations on how to go about the registration for the class will be passed across to you. So do what to send us a message on time so that you can register before registration close. Okay, so that is it, guys. See you all in class. Bye.